Hello and good morning. Thank you for tuning in to Tots and Touchdowns. Today we are heading to Disney Beach Club Resort, and this is the first time we've ever done it. I actually won this trip on Instagram through We Do Travel Right, so thank you to them. Thank you. They did awesome planning on this trip. Today's just a pool day. Tomorrow we're hitting at Magic Kingdom, another pool day, Epcot, and then we're going camping. So this is going to be a really cool kind of vlog series. Currently, we are in Dunedin at the Fenway. If you are a Marriott Bonvoy member, it's actually pretty good for points, considering it's a great location right close to Dunedin. You can walk. Clearwater hotels were kind of pricey for points, and I wanted to, since I won the trip, I'm like, how cheap can I do this trip? So I used points for this stay, spending 2 nights in a tent. So it's going to be really cool to see. Driving up to Orlando, which is about an hour and 45 from here. Kids are still sleeping. We're all getting excited. So follow along. My mom's coming. It's going to be a great adventure. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe. I finally moved across the country for the 4th time in 2 years. My husband coaches football, hence Tots and Touchdowns. So I'm really committing to, sharing my love of Disney. And welcome, and I'm glad you could be here. Okay, I just made it. I just parked the car. I left the kids with the television. We are at the beach club. I chose to do a self-park because it's a lot cheaper, but I gave my bellhop all the stuff. They came out and gave the kids birthday buttons already, so it's starting out to be awesome, and we just only begun. Okay, here we are at the beach club resort. Super excited. Not gonna lie, I can already smell the lobby that everybody has been talking about. Oh, here are my kids. Yay, let's see what you got. Where's your buttons?
Here.
Let's see, look what they gave the kids. Yes. Yes, do you smell the lobby? Smells tropical.
There's no TV.
There's not a television, that's weird. In the sundry store here,
And
we found Doug as a baby. I feel like that's a new concept. So you can get everything here that you need. There's also a little quick service. Is he?
He's a magnet. Yeah, he's one of those magnets.
You can get your resort mugs here. You can also buy sand toys, but I bought some from Amazon before coming. We got hats, bathing suits, if you forgot anything. They have it in here. Oh, we got board games. They got Advil over there. They have alcohol in here. Postcards. All that cool stuff. We got candies, we got drinks.
It's so hard and so bouncy. It's supposed to be.
We just found these ears. How cute. They're just like cool Mickey ears. Oh, they got denim ones. I also like those. Oh, they got Judy Hopps. It's funny. She's a farmer.
Donuts are my favorite.
Oh my gosh. It looks like a French cruller. They got donuts. So if you forgot anything at home, you will find it
what's
here.
this kind I love?
That's denim. It's like a bleached denim. They also have resort gear that's just to here.
Hello.
Oh, they got their Pride stuff still. Awesome. Everyday Sunday. What does it say on the back of it? Beaches and cream. They got beach club towels. And we have found some more beach club merchandise. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, the Orange Bird. I'm always a coffee mug getter, so I will get the beach club coffee mug. Don't touch them.
I'm your personal health care companion. How may I?
Out here, and the beach club, Epcot's over here to the left. The beach club faces the boardwalk. We got the swan and dolphin,
It's a fish.
and then boom, we got the water slide. Oh, here's the nightly activities. Let's see what we got going on.
If they're actually called dolphins, naked blue.
Ooh, painting. Oh, here's the movies. Tonight is Monday High School Musical 2. We got Hercules, Frozen, Fox and the Hound.
High School Musical.
Oh, we got some poolside activities at 1:30, so that's starting soon. Okay, I am double fisting here, 2 things, Holden, and this is going to be a room tour, the 4th floor, 4612. It is I think it can sleep 5. We only have 4 of us, so first off, when you walk in, we got coffee. Of course, it's the favorite. It's the Joffrey's coffee. We have the Keurig. Hold on, because my hands, I don't know how I'm going to do this. And then what do we have in here? Oh, we got a fridge. Okay. Then we have some sliding doors. This I'm going to guess. Ooh, we got a luggage holder, blanket. Ooh, we got a safe. Doesn't look that deep. Oh, we have a steamer. That's a first. We got some pillows. Now, look at the bathroom. Ooh, here I am. We have 2 sinks, which is really nice. Hand dryer, we got the H2O. Unpopular opinion, I hate these products. Oh, I got mouthwash for the first time and a vanity kit. This must be a deluxe thing because I have never done this. Okay, now into here. Let me turn this on. Sorry, there's my body. Ooh. Here is the shower. Really nice. Look at this. Oh, I like it. We got sea salt, we got butter. We have that bathroom hanger, which I love. Oh, they have shelves. And I don't care what anyone says, I love a Disney tub. And then we got this. Okay, continuing on without making anybody sick. Now this is a joining room. So there's the joining. We got 2 beds. Here we are, super nice, with an opportunity to put luggage underneath. Also, please notice the herringbone floors. I'm loving the artwork. This is a really nice room. It's got mother of pearl. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness, we got a phone, we got some drawers. We have a desk over here with tons of storage. We have UBS, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 plug, which is good for those new magic bands. Trash and recycling. A really nice desk. There I am again. And now, just like space. Like, look at this. This is where you could actually put like a luggage holder. Not to mention some awesome art. This is so cute. I want this for myself. Okay, here is the patio. I can't really... It fits too nicely with a nice little table. We got a nice overhang and a light out here, you can't tell. This was supposed to be just like the cheapest view. And we face a courtyard. There's the solarium over there. And there's the front lobby. This definitely felt like a deluxe resort. I loved all the Disney touches. I loved the Disney detail. The room was spotless. Everything was what I expected from this level of resort. And now what we've all been waiting for, the pool area. Stay tuned, I have some GoPro slide footage I'll be showing in a later vlog. This is Stormalong Bay. It is 3 acres of aquatic fun. There is a 230-foot long water slide. We have a lazy river. We have a sand bottom pool. There is a 0 entry sandy beach section for your younger kids. There are 3 whirlpools, 1 adults only. Not to mention Hurricane Hannah's, where you can fill up those cups or get some food. And they had surfers walking around taking orders. It was awesome. Cream to go. You can only get ice cream here. So they have the shakes, milkshakes, ice cream. They have ice cream sandwich, and then they have the mini Mickey Sing for $24. And then my daughter got the Ariel milkshake for $15. So if you look, Beaches and Cream is just beside the pool here. If you look for the main lobby, you'll find it. They have nice outdoor seating. We made a reservation for Beaches and Cream, but if you just want ice cream, go to the to-go menu. No one's even in the line. So if you're worried and couldn't get that Beaches and Cream in-restaurant reservation, we did it 2 days later for the kitchen sink challenge. I'll show that as well later, but we just used it and grabbed some milkshakes. I got a strawberry one, not realizing it was going to be a ginormous Minnie Mouse one. My daughter got the Ariel one, and my son just got some sorbet. It was nice. We could eat it outside. We didn't have to worry. We didn't miss out on like the big ice cream experience. So I highly recommend. Ooh, and we got to keep the glasses. So try their little walk-up window. There wasn't a line when we went.
Oh, I know how.
Here we are here. We don't know why. There's a massive crowd, like a parade of people following a stick. But look at how peaceful this is. There's the boardwalk. Swan and Dolphin. You can take the boats across if you want. The boats also go to Hollywood Studios. They also stop at Swan and Dolphin, right over there at the boardwalk spot. But look how pretty this is. What are you doing?
What? Use my shoes first?
Lola, first impressions of the Beach Club.
I really like it. Oh.
What's your favorite thing about it so far?
Yeah. Actually that.
Oh yes, so beaches and cream milkshake.
It's the mermaid one though.
Yeah, okay. She's attempting to jump off. We're sitting on a bench, not a swing, but she will make it a swing.
Make sure you get higher than on it.
Okay.
Make sure you move your
I
leg.
don't need to pump anymore. I'm done.
No, we need to get higher than on it.
Okay. Wonder if this will film or make everybody sick. Okay, and go. And whoa.